Yep, you see the title in the thumbnail. Yes, we are cooking healthy today with steamed salmon with broccoli and cauliflower. And we're gonna use our BUYDEEM electric food steamer. Listen, if you're new to the kitchen, this is a must-have product. Trust me, get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Guys, this is a very simple and healthy, easy meal. All you need is 3 ingredients, 2 vegetables, and 1 meat. And we're gonna use some salmon, broccoli, cauliflower. Now guys, you can also switch that up with squash and zucchini, totally up to you, salt, seafood seasoning, and some pepper. So that's all you're gonna need. Let's get to it. All right, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take some olive oil and we're gonna kind of drizzle it over our salmon like this, rub it on in. When I steam my salmon, I like to steam it with the skin on rather than skin off. And we're gonna add some of that olive oil to the back like this. We're gonna get that moved around in here also like this. And we're just gonna flip that baby back over. And guys, you can season your salmon with whatever you want to. For me, a simple salt and pepper works, or all-purpose seasoning. Today, I'm gonna use some seafood seasoning and some kosher salt and pepper. So I'm gonna start with our kosher salt. Just add that here. Come behind that with our pepper. And our seafood seasoning. All right, let's continue. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our cauliflower, add it here, along with our broccoli. And what I'm gonna do, guys, or what you should do, you wanna make sure you get it all rinsed out. So I'm gonna take this over to the sink and I'm gonna rinse our cauliflower and our broccoli off, and I'll be right back. So now that we rinsed our veggies off, we're gonna just push that to the back. We're gonna bring over our plate. This is our ceramic steaming plate here. And we're gonna take our salmon and we're gonna add it here. We're gonna add our other one right here, just like that. That's what I like about this steamer that we're about to use, is because it comes with this steaming plate. And guys, you can just cook your whole meal right here on this plate, which is what we're gonna do. Now we're just gonna take our veggies and we're gonna add them just around our salmon like this, even in between, on the side. Guys, take a look at that right there. Oh man. So let's go ahead and bring our steaming to the shot so we can get to cooking. So before we start cooking the salmon, broccoli, and cauliflower, let's talk a little bit about our BUYDEEM electric food steamer. As I mentioned, this is a must-have product and I'm so excited to put it to use. And real quick, some of the things I like about this steamer is that it steams fast to keep your food fresh. It heats up in minutes and has a consistent steam output. It quickly locks food, moisture, and the nutrients, especially for your fish and any other seafood. And the first thing I noticed when I pulled it out of the box is the space that it saves on my counter. And with all the kitchen gadgets I have, counter space is really important to me. And the extra double layer meets different cooking needs. And you will notice this product comes with dual safety features, including a low water warning and auto shut off. Now that's something that is very helpful and useful in the kitchen, especially with me when I'm running around and I forget to turn things off. And furthermore, the design is what I like the most. If you notice, the heavy curved pan lid creates a slight pressure just to prevent the steam from escaping. And on the sides, you notice the external water inlets allows the water to be added without even opening the lid in case of steam burns. And last but not least, my favorite part of this product is the multiple functions, combining integrating a steamer, a stew pot, yogurt machine, thaw machine, and a baby food supplement all into one product. So can you ask for anything more in one product? And the answer is no. And I'm gonna leave the information to this product in the video description below because I want you to check it out and I also want you to level it up in the kitchen. So let's get back to this salmon, broccoli, and cauliflower. All right guys, so we're at our steamer now. This is our BUYDEEM multi-function steaming cooker. Man, I'm gonna show you guys how this works. I'm already loving it because I love steamed vegetables and steamed fish, and this here is perfect for me. So we're gonna remove the top, we're gonna remove the steaming tray and the sauce tray. And the reason we're doing this is because we have to put water in it. That's how you get steam, you gotta have water. All right, and it has a meter over here on the side that tells me what's the max level. Also, you have it in the inside too. And we're gonna pour our water in here till we get it to the level we want. All right, so that's our max level that we had it in, and we're gonna put our sauce tray back on here. We're gonna put our steamer tray back here. Now we're gonna bring our ceramic plate with our food on it, and we're gonna sit it right here on top, just like that. And guys, remember, this steaming plate comes with this particular product, so which makes it really, really good. Put all your stuff right here on this plate, turn your steamer on, however long it takes, 10, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, bam, you pull your tray off, you start eating. So we're gonna go ahead and get this baby covered up, just like that. We're gonna steam this for 8 minutes. Salmon typically takes about 7 to 8 minutes, depending on, you know, the steamer or how you steam it. So I'm thinking 8 minutes would be good enough. Same as broccoli, you know, it could be ready between 6 and 8 minutes, depending on, you know, how you're steaming it. So we're gonna go ahead and start, and we're gonna let that baby steam. All right, guys, it looks like we are good. Let's remove our veil. Guys, take a look at that. And you know when your broccoli is bright green like that, you know you didn't overcook it. Looks amazing. Let's go ahead, get back to our cutting board so we can get into the final presentation. Guys, all we're gonna do now is take a little olive oil and drizzle that over our veggies. Also sprinkle a little salt over our veggies. And guys, that's it. There you have it. Steamed salmon with broccoli and cauliflower. Just that easy. 8 minutes. That's all it took. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Guys, let's jump into quality control so we can see if it tastes just as good as it looks. All right, let's go. All right, we back in here, quality control. Guys, let's bring our salmon up there to the front of the congregation. And guys, this plate is typically hot when it come out that steamer, so make sure you don't grab. I got me a, I don't know what they call them little thing. I ain't finna mess it up, but all I know is when stuff hot, I always put my plates and stuff on it like this. So let's start out with that broccoli. Cauliflower, oh man. Let's get into that salmon now. That's what y'all waiting on. I know y'all wanna know if that thing cooked. Of course it's cooked, man. Of course it's cooked. That's all it takes, 7 minutes. It don't get no better than this, baby. Oh man, that BUYDEEM multifunctional steamer cooker. My new best friend here in the kitchen. Guys, I'ma leave the information to this product in the video description below so you guys can check it out and you can make you a healthy meal like I did right here with this broccoli and this cauliflower and this good old salmon. So, till the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.